Hey everyone, if your VPN is not connecting or not working on your iPhone, don't worry, I'll show you some quick and easy fixes to get it working again. So, step one is to check your internet connection. So, make sure your internet is working. Open Safari or any app and test your connection. So, if your internet is not working, your VPN won't connect at all. Next, what you need to do is to go to your VPN app, and once you're on the app, turn it off. So close it, open it again, and turn it back on. So this refreshes the connection and often fixes small issues. Next, what you need to do is to restart your iPhone. So this clears temporary bugs that may be stopping your VPN from working properly. Next, what you need to do is to go to the App Store and check if your VPN app has an update. Next, what you can do is go to iPhone settings. And once you're in settings, you need to go to General and go to VPN and Device Management. Click on VPN. So delete your VPN profile, then reinstall or add it again. So this fixes corrupted or broken configurations. If it still doesn't work, reset your network settings. So go back to settings, click on General. Now go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. So this can fix deeper connection issues. And that should solve your problem. And that's it. Thanks for watching.